Welcome to Dad Built. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix to change out broken clips on a hot tub cover. We just got this hot tub and I was so excited to use it. I came out and unclipped the front side of the cover, not realizing that there were also clips on the back. And when I opened the cover up, it put too much stress on those back clips and they snapped right off. At first I thought this was a bigger deal than it was, and then after I did some research I realized this is a pretty common occurrence. You can even get a strong gust of wind that'll get up under that cover and break the clips off. So if you own a hot tub, chances are you'll need to know how to replace these clips at some point, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I got these new clips on Amazon. It was like $12 for a set of 4, and it comes with the entire assembly. So you can see that has both the male and the female part, and if we needed to, we could attach a new entire clip assembly there, but I'm just going to take this male part and reattach it to that strap there. So here's the broken clip, and you'll see that it just snapped right off at the plastic, and this piece is stitched with this clip on it, so this doesn't come off. We need to get this off so that we can put a new clip on. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to snip this clip off with a pair of snippers. Do it like that. I'm going to take my snippers and just clip it. Now come down here. Now we can take our new clip and put it on. And you'll see that these new clips aren't completely closed, so they should just slide on there. If you do need to order new clips, make sure you get the right kind. There are 2 different types of these. There's a push type and a pinch type. I have the push type, and as you can see, you just push on the center of this, and that's going to release the clip from the mechanism. The pinch type, you would pinch the sides of it, and that would engage the mechanism in there. So before you order, scope it out, see which type you have, and make sure you get the right ones. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Dad Built and check out my other videos for more DIY projects and tips for dads. We'll see you next time.